This fits in a parking garage, sleeps 4, runs solar, and it's powered by a 660 cubic centimeters engine. This is the JP Star Happy One Plus City, and it's one of the most brutally practical campers ever built because it was designed for people who don't want a weekend-only van. This is a camper you can drive every day, park anywhere, and still disappear into the mountains the same night without changing vehicles. Let's get one thing clear immediately. This is not a luxury motorhome shrunk down for novelty. It's a K-truck-based camper engineered around constraints, height limits, parking garages, narrow streets, fuel efficiency, and real daily life. And those constraints are exactly why it works so well. The base vehicle is the Daihatsu Hijet truck, model S510P. In Japan, this platform is everywhere for one reason. It's reliable, compact, and cheap to operate. The engine is a 660 cubic centimeters gasoline unit. On paper, that sounds laughably small. And because the vehicle is so light, traction goes a long way even with limited power. Now look at the size. This is where everything starts to click. The total length is just 3,790 millimeters. The width is 1,690 millimeters. That's smaller than many compact SUVs. But the most important number is the height. With the roof closed, it's 2,050 millimeters, about 6.7 feet. That's the magic number. On the highway, it can reach about 65 to 70 miles per hour. Hills will slow it down, yes, but that's the trade-off for efficiency and compactness. And the fuel economy makes that trade-off worth it. You're looking at roughly 10 to 14 kilometers per liter in city driving and up to around 16 kilometers per liter on the highway. For a fully built camper with beds, solar, fridge, and water tanks, that's extremely efficient. Now here's where the transformation happens. You park. You stop the engine. You pop the roof. The manual pop-up roof raises the total height to about 2,480 millimeters and, more importantly, gives you an interior standing height of 176 centimeters, around 5.8 feet. That means most adults can stand upright inside. In a vehicle this size, that's massive. It turns a cramped box into a livable space. And the pop-up roof isn't just for headroom. It contains a pull-out upper bunk. This is how the Happy One Plus City sleeps 4 people without expanding its footprint at all. 2 people sleep downstairs. 2 people sleep upstairs. Simple, efficient, and proven. This camper keeps its system simple and usable. There's also a dedicated external shower, designed for rinsing off sand, mud, shoes, or yourself after the beach or a hike, keeping dirt completely out of the cabin. Fresh water is stored in a 24-liter tank with a 15-liter gray water tank, both filled and drained from outside the vehicle, so there's no mess inside. It's enough for drinking, cooking, and washing on short trips without pretending to be a full RV. This van runs on a 660 cubic centimeters gasoline engine, not diesel. That means quieter operation, easy cold starts, and lower maintenance. Parking sensors and a digital rearview camera are standard, which makes squeezing into tight urban spaces almost effortless. Collision avoidance systems with automatic braking are also included, which is impressive for something this small and this affordable. Storage is handled properly. There's a large rear storage compartment located at the back of the camper, accessible from outside, perfect for dirty gear, cables, tools, or camping equipment you don't want inside the living space. The same area is also accessible from inside under the sofa, so you can reach your gear without stepping outside when needed. That's what allows this camper to fit into standard multi-story and mechanical parking garages. This changes everything. Most campers force you into a lifestyle adjustment. You need special parking. You avoid cities. You plan routes around height limits. The Happy One Plus City doesn't demand that. Step inside, and the layout makes immediate sense. Everything is positioned to do more than one job. The interior color scheme is mostly white, which isn't an aesthetic choice, it's a spatial one. White reflects light and makes the cabin feel larger, especially important in a compact camper. The main seating area is an L-shaped sofa. During the day, this is your dining space, your workspace, your lounge. A removable table locks into place, complete with cup holders, so you're not juggling drinks every time the vehicle moves or someone bumps the table. When it's time to sleep, That same L-shaped sofa converts into a full flatbed for 2 adults. No complex motors, no fragile mechanisms. You rearrange the cushions and you're done. Above that, the pop-up roof bunk slides out, creating the second sleeping area. This is ideal for kids, but it can also work for shorter adults. That sleeping setup is one of the smartest aspects of this camper because it keeps the lower area free during the day. You're not climbing over beds or folding walls just to make coffee. Now let's talk power, because this is where a lot of small campers completely fall apart. The JP Star Happy One Plus City comes standard with a 3000 watt inverter. That's serious power. This isn't just for charging phones. This can run real appliances. You get 100V outlets throughout the cabin. You can charge laptops, camera gear, run cooking devices, and power accessories without constantly worrying about overloads. LED lighting is installed throughout the interior, keeping energy consumption low while providing bright, usable light. Solar panels are standard. That's not an optional marketing add-on, that's part of the core design. Solar keeps the batteries topped up during the day, extending how long you can stay off-grid without plugging in. The kitchen area is compact but correctly executed. There's a large sink with a reinforced glass cover. When the cover is closed, it becomes additional counter space. That detail matters in a small interior. Every surface has to earn its place. The refrigerator is a 22-liter compressor fridge. This is critical. Compressor fridges cool efficiently, work in hot weather, and don't destroy your batteries the way cheap thermoelectric units do. It's the difference between a camper that works on paper and one that works in summer. Water storage is equally practical. You get a 24-liter fresh water tank and a 15-liter gray water tank. Both are accessible from outside the vehicle, making filling and draining clean and easy. Storage is everywhere, and this is one of the most underrated strengths of the Happy One Plus City. There are 5 internal shelves integrated into the cabin. There's a large storage area under the sofa, and it's accessible from both inside and outside the vehicle. That dual-access storage is huge. You can load gear from outside without crawling inside, and you can grab items from inside without stepping out into the rain. The windows are large, insulated acrylic units. They let in plenty of light, open for ventilation, and help regulate temperature. In hot weather, they keep heat out. In cold weather, they keep warmth in. And if you want full climate control, you have options. A compact air conditioning unit can be installed for hot climates. For cold weather, a Webasto FF forced air heater is available. This is a serious heating system, not a gimmick. It produces dry heat, keeps condensation down, and allows you to camp comfortably in winter conditions. Optional upgrades let you tailor the camper to your lifestyle. If you want to go further, lithium battery upgrades are available. You can spec 200 Ah or even 400 Ah lithium setups. Combine that with solar, and suddenly this tiny camper becomes a serious off-grid platform. You're not just camping, you're living independently for days at a time. For situations where shore power is available, there's an external power input. Plug it in at a campsite or even at home, and you can run everything directly without draining your batteries. Aesthetic upgrades let you personalize the look without changing the functionality. In practice, it's perfectly matched to what this camper is meant to do. It's not built to win drag races or cruise at 90 miles an hour. It's built to move through cities, climb access roads, and do it without stress, noise, or massive fuel bills. You can get it in 2WD or part-time 4WD. That 4WD option matters. It turns this from a city-only vehicle into something you can confidently take onto gravel roads, snowy passes, muddy campsites, and uneven terrain. From the outside, the design is clean and understated. White body panels with gray graphics give it a modern, neutral look. Alloy wheels add just enough style without pushing it into flashy territory. It doesn't scream camper, which is a big advantage in urban environments. Now let's talk about how this thing actually fits into real life. Most campers are used occasionally because they're inconvenient. They're too big to park, too tall for garages, too expensive to fuel, too annoying to drive daily. The Happy One Plus City avoids all of that. You can use it as your daily vehicle. You can park it at the grocery store, at work, or in your apartment garage. And when you're done with your normal day, your bed, kitchen, and power system are already with you. That's the real genius here. You're not switching modes. You're not planning special trips. You're just living, and the camper is always ready. A rear cycle carrier lets you bring bikes without sacrificing interior space. An electric step makes entry easier, especially for kids or older users. This is why it's so popular in Japan. Japanese cities are unforgiving to oversized vehicles. Parking is expensive and limited. Roads are narrow. Regulations are strict. The Happy One Plus City fits perfectly into that reality while still offering genuine camping capability. Price-wise, it starts around 3,770,000 to 4 million Japanese yen, roughly 27,000 US dollars depending on options and exchange rates. For that price, you're getting a fully functional camper with solar, inverter, fridge, water system, sleeping for 4, and daily drivability. When you compare that to larger vans that cost double or triple once fully built, the value becomes obvious. But value isn't just about money. It's about use. A camper that sits unused is expensive no matter what it costs. A camper you use constantly is worth every dollar. The JP Star Happy One Plus City isn't trying to impress you with size. It's trying to prove a point. Smart design beats scale every time. By embracing limits instead of fighting them, it delivers something most campers can't, a vehicle that actually works everywhere. If you care about real-world usability, if you want something you can drive every day without compromise, and if you understand that efficiency is freedom, this camper makes an extremely strong argument. It's small on the outside, capable on the inside, and brutally honest in its design. And that's why this tiny, garage-friendly camper quietly outperforms vehicles twice its size. It fits in a parking garage, sleeps 4, runs solar, and it proves most campers are just oversized. If smart design matters more to you than big numbers, hit subscribe because this is the kind of vehicle that actually works in real life.